Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Richard, it's good to have you here. Today we are going to have a quick look at sky replacement, but using your own photos. So I've done this video recently that gave you my thoughts on the sky replacement tool. I'm not totally for it, but I'm not totally against it. So I'm sitting on the fence, but a good compromise is use your own skies. Then you can take credit for the whole photo. So let's have a quick look at how we do that now in Photoshop, where you can add your own sky into another one of your own photos to make two photos into one and give you that great photo that you wanted at the time. So let's take a look now. So here we are in Photoshop. It's going to be a real quick one. The first thing we need to do is to find the photo that we are going to replace. So I am going to replace this photo here that I took in Yosemite. I have done a bit of editing on this in Lightroom and been able to bring out a little bit of detail in the clouds, but it's a good example of how we can replace this. So once we've got that open in Photoshop, it is just a case of clicking on Edit, Sky Replacement. It will automatically apply the last sky that you were on, which happens to be one of mine anyway. But we are now going to add a couple more skies into the My Sky folder. So you can set up your own folders here. So all you need to do is to click on this icon down here, which gives you a new group, and you can call the group Sky Shot by Me, for example. Oh, it can't type properly. Sky Shot by Me. And do OK. So that gives us a new group, and then we click on the plus button here and you navigate to the folder where your sky photos are saved. Highlight the skies that you want to bring in and click on Open, and those two images of skies will come into there. It appears it only brings in one at a time, so we'll go back and we'll bring in the second one. And again, it's automatically going to select them. But we've basically got now in the photo your sky that you've just brought in. And then it can be moved around. You just click on this little cross section up here and you can move the sky around if you want to make it a little bit more natural in inverted commas. You can adjust the sky adjustments here, and you can make the foreground, i.e. the rest of the picture, to reflect the sky that you've just added. So if you've added a bright sunny sky, you might want to brighten up the foreground. If you've added a sort of sunsetty sky, then I am no expert on this, so I think it just sort of adds in, the higher you go for color adjustment, the more it adds of the reflection of the sky. If we go the other way, it takes it back to its natural lighting that it was when the photo was shot. And that's it. With, you can see there's become a red glow over the foreground, and the lighting adjustment I think is the brightness of it. We can warm the sky up, or we can cool it down, maybe a bit more warmth, just to reflect the warmth in the foreground. And again, just adjusting the sky brightness to give it the look that you want. And then when you're happy with that, you click on OK and you're done. Now this has been a very quick tutorial, mainly about how to get your own skies into Photoshop, but there's just a quick extra few seconds showing you how to make some adjustments. So that's it now. So that's it before. So we're just using the little eyeballs here to take off the sky replacement group with the new sky as it was shot. And if you don't like any of it, of course, we can just delete the group and we're back to where it was. And perhaps we now want to add in the other photo that we took. So we brought in another photo, if you remember, which was this one. and that has given us a blue sky in the same photo, and it just enhances the photo. So just very, very quickly to recap, you have the image that you want in Photoshop. You click on Edit, Sky Replacement, you click on the drop down box here, you set up a new folder by clicking on this new folder icon. Once you've set up your folder, you click on plus and you add the skies to that folder that you want, and you're done. And if you don't want them, let's take out this one. You just highlight the sky that you don't want and you can click delete. And that's it, how to get your own skies into Photoshop for the sky replacement tool. Real quick tutorial there. I know that was not an in-depth look at the sky replacement tool, but I'm not going to do that because I'm not a big fan of it. But if you want to keep your photos to your photos and not use someone else's sky, that's how you do it. Really easy. Add your own photos in your own folders and you can add your sky into your photo and it still retains the knowledge that it is all your photo and it's nobody else's work. So there we go. No more on sky replacement from me, I promise. Don't forget to check out the other video that I did on my in-depth thoughts on sky replacement. And until the next time, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you next time. See you later.